Hi everyone. Nowadays the coronavirus is everywhere. This is a worldwide spreading disease. So the first thing, we need to protect ourselves. But what happening in the first place, the mask, protection mask is everywhere, is gone and very expensive and out of overpriced. So I want to tell you very simple thing. If you want to make mask from at home, and you just need a very simple way, you need just a small piece of tape here, just like white tape. You can cut it off like very simple way, this way, like this, and you can cut and you can stick it, just simple, keep on the side. And then you can take a toilet tissue roll, and it's very simple. You can put it like this way, like this, just like this. It's very soft and very easy. Now you can see, you can make as much you want, two roll or one side, and then you can just stick the tape in this way from here. Perfect. You can make it tight. Now you can see it's covered, and you don't have to pay overpriced mask from the market. And now you can make it 1, 2, 3, as much you want. I think 2 or 3 is enough. And now you can see I'm talking to you, and the protection, you can breathe, it's no problem. The main thing is the cover. Now you can see it's covered very well. This is how to make mask at home, DIY. Now you can see this is the main thing, very simple way, and you have a mask at home. You don't have to get overpriced mask, or you have no need to panic, because you can see, very simple way. Because this is currently, the mask is getting very overpriced, and you have to be in the queue and to only get the mask, and that disposable mask also you can use only 1 or 2 times, I think only 1 time. So your toilet paper can be your mask, and you can give, I think that two roll is enough for 1 time, and you can just go anywhere. But you cannot reuse, but can see. Very simple way. If you can make it adjust, you can just turn slightly like this. Very simple. Hope you like the video. At least you have the way. At least you have the way. Better than nothing. Better to be in the long queue and waiting for the mask for nothing. So now, thumbs up. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.